So what we're gonna be doing, see, we got PC, and it's a decent PC, you know. We got guilt, and we got this PC. We picked it up off Craigslist for free. So we're gonna be doing a video with the PC, me, my friend, and we're gonna take it apart, clean it, and see if it works again. Okay? Okay, first of all, we just need to grab a screwdriver. Okay, we'll take out the cord first. We're gonna go grab that piece. Oh, oh yeah, you can pull that piece off right there. It came off. Oh, yeah, need to pull that off. It's off. Oh wait, what the frig? We made progress. Gently set it down. Okay, we got our core. So what we have to do, it's got lubricant on it. So we need to pop that sideways up. Pull it upwards like that. And grab it. Oh, see that? Crap! Okay. We got a core. We just gotta gently set it down. Okay. We don't know what those cords are for, but we don't need them. Okay. So we're just gonna rip them out because I don't know what they're used for. So that's how you gotta do that. Just rip the crap out of them like that. And there's a cord in the corner. You want to undo that and just pull until it breaks like that. Then you want to put it over to the side. Then you want to grab a screwdriver like this. Then you want to start unscrewing these. Oh, what's this cord do? And just gently pull.
Pull it. You gotta get it out.
Okay, after we did that, you gotta put cords off to the side. You gotta put. There we go. Okay. You see this black cord? You wanna get a pair of scissors and cut it, but we don't have any right now. But this one is just a random cord. You don't need this at all. Okay. Then you go on and grab a screwdriver and start jabbing that right there. Okay. See? And after you've done that, there should be batteries right here, I guess. I don't know what it does. Okay. So we're gonna try to fix it. It's not really doing anything. And when you want to you want to blow it out like this, like so. Okay. So after you've done that, you want to grab your core, and you want to grab your core. Okay.
Gently put it back in.
Gently put it back. Oh, jeez.
Let me do it. I got it.
He's got to put it. Oh, hey. Yeah, yes. Oh, we're making progress. Oh, we gotta lift it up.
Yeah.
Like that. And we gotta put core in. Yes. Wait. It's almost in. It's not in. What the frick? Is it almost in? Okay. That's close. Hey, you try getting. Try get in, kid. Oh, jeez. No, you gotta fix it.
Let me fix it.
Hey, he's gotta fix it with the screwdriver. There we go.
There we go.
Perfect!
Yes! Finally, we got this PC working again.
Okay, now you want to grab this part, the fan.
Yes.
You want to
gently. Really gently.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, jeez. So you gotta make sure there's lube on the bottom of it, and you gotta make sure the core is there.
Yeah, it's there.
It's there. It's that white part right there.
It's there, alright.
And you gotta put this down. You gotta put this thing. Make sure there's lube on the bottom. And you gotta gently put it down like that.
Oh. Fix it.
Fix it. I think it's fixed.
There. gonna put all this stuff.
Just put all this stuff in. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we got all the cords in like this. Okay.
The last thing we do is to put all the screws back in.
When you want to pick it up like oh, oh God.
Oh yeah.
See?
Yeah,
See, you gotta gently.
This is a masterpiece. After 3 hours.
Like, I don't know, like 5 minutes, I guess.
No, it normally took us about 3 days, fix all of this. It looks really nice.
Yes.
One more thing.
Like that.
There we go. Oh, the cord fell
Gotta
out.
gently pick it up. Gently pick it up.
Like this. Let's plug this baby in.
Yes, this is gonna work. Okay, plug it in right there.
Yeah.
This is gonna work. Alright, wait.
Just even plug it in.
Oh yeah, well it's gonna work. Oh yeah, we have the thing on this side. No, you gotta tilt it over. Like that. Okay. The power button's right there.
It's not even plugged in.
Here, I'll plug it in. The power button's right there. Okay. Plug it in. Okay.
Yep. Let's look at that. Okay, so this baby gotta go in now.
Oh, I know where we're getting.
It's the wrong cord.
You gotta go like this, and you said you gotta take off this part. You gotta go like 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Flip PC back over. Make sure you put the screws back in.
Yep, screws are back in.
We need to somehow flip this over.
There we go.
There we go.
Now, finishing touches. Ready?
Yes.
Boopity bop boop boop. Okay, ready?
Oh, just no. Okay. Well, that's our tutorial how to build a PC. Bye.